Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to enroll users in Moodle courses making use of coupons. Now, in most cases enrollment in Moodle courses are quite tedious. You have to go to each course and then enroll a user or make use of bulk uploads, but still you have to get all the headings and course IDs right. With coupon enrollment, you use coupon codes and provide users access to all selected courses. Let me show you how this is done. First, we're in our Moodle site and make sure that editing is turned on by clicking the gear icon and clicking on Turn Editing On. Now we need to head over to the Moodle's plugins directory, and that you will find on moodle.org. I'll place the direct link within the description of this video. Go to plugins and then type in coupons. Click on search, and the first one says coupon. It's a company Sepsoft which provides this plugin. So let's click on coupon. Make sure that you download the correct version by clicking on versions. Make sure you download the correct version of the plugin, the coupon plugin, by clicking on download. This will download the plugin to your desktop or where you specified it. Go to your Moodle site, click on Site Administration. Now click on Plugins and click on Install Plugins. Drag the downloaded plugin within the file picker box, or you can just click on choose a file and go and search for the file on your computer. Click on upload this file. Now click on install plugin from zip file. Click on continue. Scroll down and make sure the status is all okay, and then click on continue. Scroll down again and click on upgrade Moodle database now. Okay, so on this screen we can click on continue since it was successful in installing the plugin. Okay, so you can leave all the default settings. Okay, so here you can provide an alternative email if you need to provide one. The default role you can set on student because we will populate coupons for students. The code length, this determines the length of the code on the coupon which you distribute to students. Then the maximum coupons, the default is 50, but you can set it the amount when you populate the coupons. Display registration help text, you can set it to either no or yes. Display coupon input help text. Everything else you can leave on default. So scroll down and click on Save Changes. Okay, so now it's installed and set up. Now we need to go to our dashboard. And here we can add a block since all the users will end up on their dashboards. Okay, so click on Add a Block. And now look for the coupon block. Click on it. And it will add the coupon block on your dashboard. Okay, so now click on Stop Customizing this page. We can also, let's click on Customize again. Then we can drag this coupon block anywhere here in the center. Click on Stop Customizing this page, and now you'll see the coupon block is on the dashboard, and this will automatically end up on each user's dashboard. Okay, so now let me show you how to generate a coupon. You can click on Generate Coupon. The first screen asks you, should it be a course enrollment or an enrollment in a cohort? Now, I'll only deal with course enrollments for now. So let's leave it on course enrollments. Let's click on next. Now we can select a logo, or we can choose the default logo, which I'm choosing. Then we can click on, we can name the batch. So let's call this course enrollment. Okay, and now we need to select the courses that this coupon code will unlock. So let's choose the courses by clicking on the drop down arrow. Let's choose Adobe Captivate, Photoshop for teachers, Camtasia for teachers, and then Adobe Premiere Pro for teachers. Okay, so it's 4 courses, and the coupon code will unlock all 4 courses, or enroll the students in all 4 courses simultaneously. Okay, the role will be student, since we've chosen the default role as student. We can also set an enrollment period by clicking on enable and selecting either weeks, days, hours, minutes, or seconds. But let's leave that out now. Let's click on next. And now in our next screen, we can choose 3 of the following options. We can either choose, I want to create an arbitrary amount of coupons, or I want to create coupons using a CSV with recipients, or I want to manually configure the recipients. We'll leave it on, I want to create an arbitrary amount of coupons. Let's click on next. Now we can choose the amount of coupons we want to generate. So let's, for this course, we'll choose, we only want 10 coupons to be generated, and the code length is 16. Okay, we can also choose an alternative email if we don't want to send it to the admin email. Then we can choose on use a QR code, generate codes only, generate separated PDFs. Okay, so let's leave it on use QR codes. Then our redirect URL, once they use the coupon code or scan the QR code, they will end up here. So they will end up on their dashboard. Now it provides us with the courses that the coupon code unlocks, and these are the 4 courses. So now we can click on preview, and it will generate a preview, a PDF preview for us. So there's our coupon code, e-learning coupon. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There's the code length. There's the little QR code. And now we can leave this as is. Okay. So if we're happy with this, we can go back. Let's close that. If we click on generate codes only, let's look at that preview. So it will then only generate the code. Let's close that and also generate that. So let's uncheck that. Click on next. Okay. So now the coupons were generated. We can click on, we can also click here to download the coupon codes. Let's click on here. And then click on download the coupons, and it will be downloaded to your desktop or where you specify your downloads to be. Okay, so there's my coupon codes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it's 10 coupon codes. Okay, so now I send this off to whoever I want to enroll in my courses. So let's just do some modifications here. So if I go back to my dashboard, if I want to see the coupon codes that were generated, I can click on either the coupon request or view reports. So let's click on view reports. And now there's nothing in the report currently. But if I click on unused coupons, you'll see all the coupons that were generated just now. And you'll see here the subscription code, when it was sent out, the courses that it unlocks, also the role of the specific users, and then the badge, which we provided the course enrollment, and then if it was sent or not. Okay. By clicking on the gear icon, we can also delete these coupons. So let's delete the coupons. So I'm deleting all the coupons by selecting the gear icon and clicking on delete coupon. So let's delete all of them. And there's the final one. Okay, so let's go back to our dashboard and click on generate coupon. Again, let's choose course enrollment and click on next. Then do not use a logo. Let's leave it on this and we'll call this course enrollment. We select the courses. Let's select the same courses that we've previously selected. And okay, so there's 5 courses. And we leave the role on student. We leave everything on its default and we click on next. Then we leave it on the arbitrary amount of coupons. Click next. The amount will be 5. And then we leave the code length on 16. We can use an alternative email address, but let's leave that as is, and also use the QR code. Then again, the users will be redirected to this URL. And there's my summary of my courses that the coupon unlocks. Let's preview the PDF. And now you'll see it only shows the specific coupon and the instructions of using the coupon. So once a user receives this coupon, they can click on our URL, they can register, and then they can use the coupon code to log in or to access the course. Okay, so let's generate those coupon codes. Click here and then download. Okay, so here my coupon codes are downloaded to my computer. Click on it and there's my 5 coupon codes. Okay, so now let's go back to my course. I'll log in and I'll log back. I'll log out now and I'll log back in as a student. Okay, so let's log in as a student. And I'll use Andy's credentials. Now you'll see the coupon code is here. Please enter your coupon code here, and you'll see Andy's enrolled in only these courses. Okay, so now let's use one of the coupon codes, and I'll copy this coupon code, go back to my course, and I'll paste it in here. Click on submit coupon, and now you'll see that Andy is now enrolled in all of these courses. It's 5 courses that the coupon code unlocked. Okay, and this is how easy it is to enroll students in multiple courses within Moodle. Okay, so Andy can go to the specific courses and he can access the courses and do the activities within the courses. As a teacher or an administrator, let's log in again as John. So now when John goes to the view reports, he will see that Andy actually, the progress report, Andy accessed the course. Andy is now enrolled in the courses and he used his coupon. By clicking on used coupons, you'll see there's John Doe is the owner of the coupon, but who claimed it? Andy claimed it. And when he claimed it, as well as the courses that it unlocked, as well as the subscription code. Also, the batch name will be visible here. Okay. You can also view the unused coupons that were not yet been used, okay, on the system. Also, you can, from here, you can delete these unused courses by clicking on the gear icon and clicking on coupon, delete coupon. Okay. You can also click on progress report, and you'll see here that Andy unlocked the status. The course was started on the 19th of the 12th and the exact time it was accessed. Okay. Now you can also download a CSV file or an Excel spreadsheet with the progress report. And here you'll see that Andy's courses, the code, the coupon code, the detailed courses that he has access to, as well as the course, the start date, as well as the cohorts. Okay. You can also download an error report if there were any errors while populating the. Alternatively, you can also use a template or a template image on your coupons. But please make sure that you stick to these prerequisites. It should be 300 dpi, A4, and 2480 by 3508 pixels. Make sure that you adhere to these image specifics to allow it to show up correctly on your PDF document. Okay. Okay, so what we've seen here was coupon codes already registered users. So what if a user doesn't have a username and a password on your platform? So let me take you through the steps then. Okay, so on your coupon code, these are the instructions for users that are not registered yet. Okay, so we've dealt with coupon codes where users already registered on your platform can access or can be registered on a course or be enrolled in a course. What happens if a user doesn't have a username and a password and he isn't registered on your platform yet? So let me show you how this is done. On your coupon code, you'll see the URL there. Let's just open the URL in incognito mode. Okay, so once a user clicks on that URL, he can click on login. And here you'll see there is no option for him or her to actually register. Okay. As an administrator, you will have to set this up beforehand. Okay. And how do we do that? Go to your site and click on Site Administration. Now, under Site Administration, click on Plugins and then scroll down to where you see Authentication. Click on Manage Authentication. Then make sure that email-based self-registration is enabled. You'll see it's enabled, but when you scroll down, you also need to enable self-registration. So click on email-based self-registration, scroll down and click on Save. Okay, so here you'll see email-based self-registration. The eye is open, and then self-registration. Select email-based self-registration. For security purposes, please make sure that you enter the reCAPTCHA site key and the reCAPTCHA secret key. Just not to not be bombarded with spam emails. Okay. So once this is done, let's go back to where the user can create the username and password. Okay, now let's refresh this page and you'll see this ends up here. Okay, so now the user can create an account. Just give your age there and then the country and then click on proceed. Then they can specify a username and a password. Okay, now an email address. And just duplicate that email address. First name and last name. Okay, so my username and password, email address, first name and last name. Click on create a new account. Okay, so now the instructions or the activation for the new account needs to happen on this email address. So let's just do that. Okay, so now in the email address, you'll see that there's the email that I've just received, or the new user. Okay, he can copy this and paste it in his URL. Okay, so let's go back to the URL, the incognito mode, and paste it in here. And there he's registered on our platform, and there's his name, everything. You'll see that he's not enrolled in any courses yet. Okay, so let's go back to where the coupon codes are. Okay, so now the user can copy this coupon code, go back to where they are logged in, and paste it in where you can enter the coupon code. Paste it in there and click on submit coupon code. It says here the coupon code has already been used. Okay, so maybe we've copied the wrong coupon code. Let's just try again. Oh yes, we've used already that coupon code. So let's copy the second one. Copy. Remember, Andy used the first coupon code. Okay, so let's go back and paste the second one and submit coupon code. Okay, so now it says here you now have access to the courses, and there's the courses that Jason is enrolled in. Okay, and this is how easy it is to populate or generate coupon codes, send it to users, and they will have immediate access to courses connected to that coupon code. So the coupon code unlocks the courses. I hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for further videos on my channel. Thank you.